So please introduce yourself.
Sure, ma'am. So I'm Bharat Maharaj Panchal, a government primary teacher working in a school for the last 29 years. Apart from that, I'm a religious preacher. I give preaches in the various villages. Yeah, and as far as my qualification is concerned, I am a graduate and I have completed my diploma in education. Dear, yes. And on top of that, I like to read religious books and watching cricket. Yeah,
Hmm.
that's all on my side. Yes.
So tell
So
me one
you
thing. When did this thought come into your mind that you should, improve your communication skill,
yeah, that's nice
spoken
question.
part? Hmm.
Yeah, that's a nice question. So, ma'am, I do not know, but from my childhood, I am a enthusiast about English. Yeah, I have a passion about
Hmm.
English. And that time when someone was speaking English in front of me, so I thought that I wish I could be able to speak English. Yeah, but that
Hmm.
time resources were not available. We can listen English only with radio or TV, and that time only Doordarshan was available. Yeah, because
Hmm.
1991, 92. Uh, so after that, I become a teacher, and from last 2 years, my headmaster told me to teach English to sixth and seventh standard. So I think that now it is the time to learn English. But actual my English learning journey started mom before just 2 months when I
Okay.
have been in this Skype group because I didn't get the partner to speak English. Where should I practice speak? Because you know that I can't speak English with my wife, with my children, with my colleagues. Anywhere I can't use English. So even if I have a wish in my mind, I am strongly wanting to speak English, but resource is not available. But now I think that a lot thanks to this Skype app that has
Hmm.
opened multiple resources for me to practice English. And the
Hmm.
YouTuber like you and multiple YouTubers are there. They are consistently they are giving hints and they are definitely boosting my confidence. And really, before 2 months only, my real English learning journey has started, man. Yeah, to be honest. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. So like you have a vast experience of teaching. So did you also observe nowadays teaching pattern is changed from past days?
Of course. Yeah.
Do you
There is a
also believe
substantial
that it is
change
changed
in
from past days? Hmm.
Definitely, ma'am, definitely. When I joined as a teacher in 1995, that time teaching learning process was different. But now the new trends are entering into this field, and there is drastic change in the teaching learning process. The students are not
Hmm.
like that time. Yeah,
Hmm.
student are getting quiet. They are very intelligent, and we have to change. And every teacher is trying to change according to the time. Yeah,
Hmm.
every teacher has to
Hmm.
be update every time because
Hmm.
which student will
Hmm.
ask what we repeat. So we have to be prepared all the time. And definitely,
Hmm.
can be changing. Yeah, and this
Hmm.
change happens. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. And teaching content is regularly, I think, yearly it is changing.
Yes, definitely. There is change, new trends are coming, and education
Hmm.
field is the where changes are initiated. Because first, when new process is coming, so we are applying this in this field first. Yeah,
Hmm. Do you
and so there
also
is.
watch Hindi movies? Do you also watch Hindi movies?
Yes, ma'am. I watch Marathi movies, Hindi movies, sometimes
Hmm.
English YouTubes, not movies, but YouTubes, yeah, podcasts. I watch sometime. Yeah, and English
Because
movies, Hindi movies are my favorite
hmm,
movies.
favorite movies. So who is your favorite actor in Hindi from Hindi movies?
Yeah, it's hard to take a single name, ma'am, because there are so many heroes that I like. But
Hmm.
if I asked to take one name, so he's Amitabh Bachchan. I like his acting very much, and I'm a lot impressed by his acting and
Hmm.
his behavior.
Hmm.
Yeah, general behavior, like very much. Yeah, ma'am.
And he is very, I
Yeah,
can say, systematic person, disciplined person.
disciplined person. Yeah, yeah, definitely. His whole
Mm,
family.
mm,
So
mm. You know,
the
I
legendary
also
actor.
watch some Marathi movie. I also watch some
Oh,
Marathi movie.
do you speak Marathi?
No, I can't speak Marathi, but yes, some words I can understand easily. Because sometimes I'm feeling Marathi words like they are similar to Sanskrit. Some words are
Yeah, yeah.
come from Sanskrit.
Yes, yes. Sanskrit, Hindi, and also one
Yes,
thing, Sanskrit and Marathi has the same alphabets.
yes. Like we call in Hindi Manushya, and in Marathi they will call Manush.
Manush. Yes, yes, yes. Manush and Manushya.
Yes,
And
yes.
Marathi also
And
we
in Marathi, in Hindi we call Dadi. Okay. In Marathi they call Aji.
yes, 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 yes. You know very well Marathi words. Yes, yes. And which Marathi movie did you watch, ma'am? Which Marathi movie was that?
I don't know the particular name. It is right now available on Prime Video. There is one
Oh,
Marathi movie, and the actress is Mrinal Kulkarni.
Mralan Kulkarni. Mranal Kulkarni.
Kulkarni.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Yes.
she is the actor. Yes, yes.
There are
Mranal
some
Kulkarni.
famous. There are some name I know like Sachin Pilgaonkar, Supriya, and Renuka Shade. These are, I think, famous um,
Yeah,
stars from
actors.
Marathi cinema.
Yes, 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 yes. They favorite Marathi stars recently. Sachin Pilgaonkar
Hmm.
is working Hindi movies also. He's famous
Yes.
working in Hindi, Marathi also. Yeah, yeah.
And there was one
And
comedian, also Lakshmikant Berde.
Lakshmikant Berde, Ashok Saraf,
Yes,
Ashok Saraf,
they are very famous.
one of
Yes, they are very famous.
and
So I learned the Marathi language from Hindi, from that movies. I can
hmm.
understand Marathi.
Oh, you can understand.
Yes,
That's
I
nice
can
thing.
understand. Hmm.
And
So now today is Sunday. So how you are passing your day? Like today's holiday, na? Every
yes,
person
yes,
has their
today,
plans. Hmm. Hmm.
yes, so daily I have to attend the school at 10 in the morning. So I had to be
Hmm.
prepared at 9, leave my home at 9:15, and I reach there. It take half an hour to reach there. But today, as I'm enjoying holiday, so yeah, I am spending most of the time in reading books. You see that there are so many multiple books, and particularly religious books. This is one of the book.
Yes.
Yeah, you see.
Hari Pratha. I think Hari Patha. Yes.
Hari Pat, Hari, and this is
Hari
also
Pat.
one
Yes.
Marathi book. This
Hmm.
is this is Shatkoti.
Hmm.
This is in
Shatkoti.
Shatkoti means there are 100 stories are very useful in life. 100 stories. Shatkoti. Shat means 100 and Koti means
Huh.
statements.
Yes. 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 So you are
Yeah,
very fond of reading. You are very fond
yeah.
of reading.
Reading most of the time when there is a holiday, I spend my time in reading books and particularly ma'am religious books, not other. I do not read economy. Yeah, yeah. I do not read newspaper or
Hmm. Hmm.
because I think that reading other books is the wastage of time. Yeah, what is the use
I
of
think
book?
after some time you will become a religious teacher. Maybe and you will, start your channel and you will teach some good lessons to the society and the teaching from that book you will spread. I think it's your
Thank
future
you.
plan.
And
Is it your
ma'am,
future plan?
yeah, yeah, it is my future plan. And currently also, when I get free time, I go to various villages and deliver
Hmm.
my speeches, deliver my I address the people because I'm a religious.
Hmm.
There is one Marathi word, kirtanka. This is a Marathi word,
Hmm.
kirtankar, who performs kirtan. There are some
I
men
know
standing
they
there,
sing some spiritual
songs,
songs, devotional
devotion.
songs.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I know. Yes.
We have,
So,
we,
mm,
yes, we have
mm,
for contemplation, and we have to describe what the sons had telling, expressing through that album. We have to explain those things in front of the people. Yeah,
mm.
and
So, who is your
good
favorite spiritual guru? There are so many, spiritual religious guru. So, who is your favorite?
ma'am, we strongly believe that we should not consider a person to be our guru, because there are sons, Sant Dhaneshwar Maharaj, Sant Tukaram Maharaj. There are great
Mm,
sons, and they have written many books. Like I have
mm,
shown you before, there are many books they have written. So we should not consider a
mm,
person. We should consider these sons as a guru, because there are so many collections. There are many books, religious books, they are available, and we can consider
mm,
that as our guru, because
mm,
now there are so many preachers in our India, but if you follow them, so after some time we come to know that this sant is not good. He is involved in some other activities. So why should we follow one person?
mm,
Why
mm.
we should follow the person? We should follow the God, and their
Yes.
books are. So we should
Mm,
look at the books as our guru, our preacher, and we should go ahead. So there is,
mm,
but there in our area, so there was a great sant like Nathuram Baba. There was a great sant. Now
mm,
he has died after before 12 years, but he has said many good
mm,
things, and he didn't take a single penny, didn't take a single rupee for advising the people. Yeah, he used to
mm,
give preach, do not accept money from any person. That was the great person.
mm. And
Yeah,
what
I don't
about
know.
English books? What about English books? Like you are an avid reader, so are you also consuming English books for improving your spoken English?
Definitely, ma'am. There are multiple English books with me, and particularly religious books. Yeah, and I
Okay.
used to. Englishyaari is a big book, and it is translated into English. Yeah, I read that book
Mm-hmm.
also, and there are so many books. I have taken some books written by Swami Vivekananda ji. These books are also in English.
Mm-hmm.
So books are available in English also. If I want to read English, so English books are also available here. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Do you
because
also feel books? Do you also feel books are playing important role in improving English? We should, read these kind of books, motivational books, short story books. They are really beneficial for the beginners, intermediate level.
definitely, ma'am, books are very crucial in our life. Books can change our life completely. And it is said that
Mm,
who do not book, his life is waste. Definitely, we should read books. We should invest some time in reading books. Yeah, books changes our life.
mm.
Definitely, I strongly believe on that opinion. Yeah.
Okay. So how many sessions are you doing in a one day? Sessions. How many sessions are you doing?
Yeah, it depends upon the time I get. So on Sunday or Saturday I do get time, free time, but regularly I do spend half an hour to 45 minutes daily, and
Mm,
most of the time I try to read the books, because when I'm available, so that time so other person will be available, we can't say, and when we get
mm,
connected, so that time, but at least half an hour I spend speaking with someone, man, because this
mm,
Skype app given us opportunity to speak with multiple people. So I take advantage of this
mm,
Skype app and invest half an hour to 1 hour, sometimes 1 hour when I'm fresh, I want to speak, so 1 hour. Yeah,
mm.
and
Do you also feel video sessions are more beneficial than audio sessions?
yeah, definitely, ma'am. Definitely, I can say that video sessions are very important, essential to boost our confidence, our body language. Because when we are going to interact with someone, new person, so
Mm,
body language is carrying a vital role. And when we are speaking eye to eye, face to face, so definitely it makes some changes in ourselves. During my
mm,
initial videos, I was not ready to speak properly, but now I think that my confidence level is good, and I can have a good conversation with someone. So definitely, ma'am, it plays an important role. Video conference is very essential to boost our confidence. Yeah.
आज ही कॉन्वर्जेशन के बाद है कोई डेली यूज सेंटेंस। अब हर समय तुम मेरे पीछे ही पड़ी रहती हो। यू आर ऑन माई केस ऑल द टाइम नाउ। यू आर ऑन माई केस ऑल द टाइम नाउ। तुमने तो जैसे मेरे खिलाफ ही ठान ली है। यू हैव गॉट इट इन फॉर मी दीज डेज। यू हैव गॉट इट इन फॉर मी दीज डेज। तुम लगातार मुझे परेशान कर रही हो। यू आर हाउंडिंग मी नॉन स्टॉप। यू आर हाउंडिंग मी नॉन स्टॉप। अगला सेंटेंस है तुम तो हाथ पैर धोकर मेरे पीछे ही पड़ चुकी हो। इस सेंटेंस को हम कई तरीके से बना सकते हैं। यू आर टोटली आफ्टर मी नाउ एंड वोंट लेट इट गो। यू आर टोटली आफ्टर मी नाउ एंड वोंट लेट इट गो। यू आर चेजिंग मी relentlessly नाउ। यू आर चेजिंग मी relentlessly नाउ। You have made it your mission to be after me. You have made it your mission to be after me. You are completely fixated on bothering me now. You are completely fixated on bothering me now. मेहमान सिर्फ 2 दिन ही अच्छे लगते हैं। इसके लिए एक इडियम यूज होता है फिश एंड गेस्ट स्मेल आफ्टर 3 days. Fish and guest smell after 3 days. And you can also say like this: guests are present only for the first 2 days. Guests are present only for the first 2 days. जो भी किस्मत में लिखा हुआ है उसे बदला नहीं जा सकता। What is written in destiny cannot be changed. What is written in destiny cannot be changed. ऊपर वाला जब देता है तो छप्पर फाड़ कर देता है। When it rains, it pours. The Almighty blesses in abundance. When it rains, it pours. The Almighty blesses in abundance. जो भी भगवान करते हैं वह अच्छे के लिए ही करते हैं। Everything happens for a reason. Whatever God does, He does for the best. Everything happens for a reason. Whatever God does, He does for the best.